Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that can transform the way you capture your thoughts and ideas on the go. Let's explore the features that make this app stand out. The best iOS memo recorder application for Android is a powerful tool designed for users who want to easily record audio notes and memos. This app typically offers a user-friendly interface, allowing users to start recording with just a few taps. It often includes features such as the ability to organize recordings into folders, add tags, and share audio files via email or messaging apps. Additionally, the app may provide options for editing recordings, such as trimming unnecessary parts or enhancing audio quality. Cloud integration is another common feature, enabling users to back up their recordings and access them across multiple devices. Overall, this application serves as an essential tool for students, professionals, and anyone looking to capture thoughts or ideas on the go. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best memo recorder app for Android helps you streamline your audio note-taking. See you next time.